Hi, I'm Jess Nowell, owner and operator of Top Organizing. We provide professional organizing services in the Denver area, based in Boulder and Boulder, Colorado. As professional organizers, we can organize your home, your office, your business, and improve your lifestyle by taking the pressure of unorganized spaces and systems away for good. But most of all, a great organizer can make a real difference to your motivation, leaving you feeling less stressed and more productive. We like to make organizing you, your surroundings, and your life straightforward, the way it should be, so you can get your space more organized and productive and keep it that way. As professional organizers, we are able to create methods and theories that help you not only get organized, but remain organized long term. At Top Organizing, we organize everything from a small closet to an entire home, or even a corporate office. We know how to create a system where everything is categorized and has a home. You will have easy access to everything you have, and you'll be able to keep it that way long term. Give us a call at 203-915-0474 and we'll set up a free 30-minute phone consultation. Then we will come to you for an assessment and get you organized so you can create your ideal lifestyle quickly. Start living life to the fullest again. Book an appointment with Jess Nowell, professional organizer, today. Here is a Google review from one of our many happy clients. Jessica is amazing. I engaged her services as a professional organizer and am delighted with the results. With her assistance and guidance, we successfully cleared off a desk that was piled with paperwork and other random items. Now, everything that was on the desk is nicely sorted into folders and bins or recycled. With her help, I know I will successfully organize other parts of my home and office. And here's another review from Google. I have always been reluctant to bring someone into my home and help me organize. However, now I'm kicking myself for waiting so long. I was waiting for judgment, but was met with tons of questions of what I'd like. And then, in a short amount of time, my office was transformed. I'm very excited and can't wait to implement more and further complete the process. Jess is very good at what she does, and I highly recommend using her for any project in your home. Kristen Judd, local guide, 27 reviews on Google. Give us a call at 203-915-0474 and we will organize a free 30-minute phone consultation. Call Jess to arrange your consultation or visit toporganizing.com for more details.